Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Tope Adeosun, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to run Facebook ads that get results. Okay, how to run Facebook ads that get results. Okay, so if you are just finding this channel, please make sure you subscribe so as not to miss any of my content. Okay, and also set up also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I release new videos. Okay, so let's go into what we are here for. But before we talk about how to run advertisement Facebook ads that get results. Okay, one aspect I think you need to know first is the anatomy of a Facebook ad. And what is anatomy? Anatomy is the structure. You understand? So if you want to run a converting ad, you need to follow this structure. You understand? So so that is it. So let's go to the first one. The first structure or anatomy of a Facebook ad that you should consider is the visuals. You understand? So people are moved by what they see. You understand? So visual on Facebook are very, very essential. And when we say visual, we mean whether Facebook or images or both. You understand? And they are the first thing that people notice, okay, when they come across your advert. So, and that is why you need to invest in getting the most perfect, the most captivating visuals before you run your advert. Okay, so and let me show you some of the things I use in doing my visuals. Number one tool that I use is the Canva. Okay, Canva makes graphic design easy. You understand? So if I want to run an advert on Canva, for example, I'll just come here to look for a template. Okay, so this is it, Facebook post, or I could also create one. So the best dimension for Facebook marketing is 1200 by 1200. Okay, and also this dimension also helps me to also run this kind of advert on Instagram, or 1080 by 1080. You understand? It must be square. So that's it. Okay, so once I do that, I'll just click create new designs. You understand? So from the new designs, you'll see some templates here which you can choose from for your designs. Okay, so these are some of the templates, or you could also still search for flyer. You understand? For flyers. Okay, search for flyers. Okay, so let's say food flyers. Okay, food flyers. Okay, okay, let's they couldn't find uh food flyers, so let's just search for other flyers. Okay, and so I could just click on one like this and begin to edit. You understand? For my advert, let's assume I'm working on a workshop or a training. You understand? Or I want to create an online course. You understand? So what I just need to do is to change some of the look and layout of this design. For example, I could start by changing the background to the color that I want. You understand? Then also change the pictures and so on. So this is how I design my creative on what's it called, on Canva. You understand? And also, if you can also design a video, yeah, this is exactly how I designed this video. Yeah, I just added a kind of I just changed the layout. For example, that video has a white background, and what I just did was to go to element and begin to add the element of that video, you understand, and the video converts more for me, you understand, than text. So I use video for my advertisements. Okay, so and the next thing is I'll upload the video that I want to use, and put it in the middle, then write whatever I want to write on top. Look at this video.
Are you in search of a caregiver?
Okay. Okay. So you see that? So I could write more ideas on at the top and below it. You understand? And that way your video looks captivating. Okay. Now, and I hope this is clear. So after I finish designing, the next thing I will do is just to click share. Okay, and I would download the video or picture or photo created for the advert. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so apart from visuals, the second one you need to also take very important before running your advert is the copy. You understand? And what is the copy? The copy is the alt text that explains your product, your services, and call to action. You understand? Is the alt text that explains your product, service, and call to action. So it also includes an headline, you understand, description, and micro copy that appear in the call to action. For example, if you look at this copy, for example, the headline is become a UI UX designer in 6 weeks. That's the headline, and the description is join our UI UX design training and elevate your user experience as a certified UI UX designer in 6 weeks. Okay, then we go on to list what you will learn in this class. You understand? So if you are creating, if you want to run advertisements, you should also create what's it called, a captivating copy, a copy that people can easily understand. You understand? So one of the tricks I learned recently for creating copies is using ChatGPT. You understand? So let's go to ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so from here now I could then write a prompt. Okay, I could say write a persuasive ad copy for a Facebook ad on real estate. Okay, so it could be anything that you are selling, real estate. Okay, real estate properties. Okay, in Port Harcourt. Okay, I'll just click enter, and you understand, ChatGPT is going to write a persuasive copy, you understand, following the copywriting rules of AIDA: attention, interest, desire, and action. You understand? So that's it. So you can see, discover your dream home in Port Harcourt. Are you searching for a perfect slice of paradise in Port Harcourt? You understand? So after it's finish writing, you understand, what I just do is to copy it, okay, and go to Facebook and paste it. But I don't just use it directly. What I do next is to refine this content, you understand, by removing some things, adding some things, you understand, and so on, you understand. So that's what I do. I also remove the aspect I don't like. For example, this, you understand, I'll just delete it and so on. So that is it. Okay, that is how I create copy, super amazing copy for my advert. Okay, so now let's go to the third one, which is the call to action, you understand. And the call to action, both things are seamlessly small components of your Facebook ad anatomy, that but carry a lot of weight, you understand. It shows at the bottom of your advert next to the headline, you understand. So my choice of call to action is I use read more most of the times. I mean learn more most of the time. And the learn more is either direct people to my website or to my WhatsApp to communicate with me on WhatsApp. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so that is that. Okay, number 4, it's the headline, you understand, and the headline is as important as the call to action, you understand. So the headline can be something amazing. And what do I use to create headline too? I still go to ChatGPT, you understand, to create headline, you understand. I could say write 10 captivating headline for a Facebook ad okay, on real estate property in Port Harcourt. Okay, then I just use that prompt and okay, so did you see that? I could say write 20. So out of this headline, I will now pick the most captivating one, you understand, then use for my advert. Okay, use for my advert. Okay, so calling on investors, prime Port Harcourt properties ready for you, you understand. So that's it. Your dream, your home, explore Port Harcourt exclusive real estate options, you understand. So that is what I do. Okay, now let's go to the 5th one, which is the ad objective, you understand. And the ad objective is the objective of running the advert. Why are you running the advert, you understand? So in this case now, you choose the best objective while you're running the advert. Okay, so that is it. I hope that is clear. Okay, so let's go to the last one, which is let's now run a profitable advertisement, you understand. So I'm going to show you how to run a profitable advertisement. Okay, so to get started, I will go to my Facebook. Go to my Facebook. Okay, so from Facebook, I'll go to my page, the page I want to use for the advert. Okay, so this is the page properly set up, you understand. So if you don't know how to set up a page, there's a look at the video in the description area. I've uploaded a video on how to set up a page for your business. Okay, so this is a page I want to use for the advertisement. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make a post using this page. You understand? To make a post using this page. Let's assume I want to run an advertisement on data analytics similar to this. You understand? And this is when you're running an advert without a website. Let's assume you don't have a website. This is how you should run your advert to get results for your business. Okay, so for this content, I've taught you how to craft content, and this is a content that I've crafted in the past. Okay, so I'm going to use the same content to run the advertisement. Okay, so let me switch to the page properly. Okay, so from here now, I'll now post the content for the advertisement. Okay, post the content. Okay, similar to what you get on ChatGPT. I got this tool from ChatGPT. They ensure that the content is properly spaced. Okay, so that it will be easy for people to read and understand. Okay, okay, and part of what I added in this content is at the end is I added the address because it's a physical training. I also added call to action button, which is for call or WhatsApp this number. You understand? So that's it. I also added the website link where people can read to learn more about the business. Okay, but if you don't have a website, that's still fine. You understand? So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the video. Okay, so you click on this picture video icon and you click on it, then look for a video. Okay, so let me look for a video. Okay, so this is a video. Okay, so you can see that. So okay, so the video is uploading. Okay, successful. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click on boost posts, and you would have heard a lot of things that, oh, don't boost posts, just run it from ad manager and so on. You understand? Every business is unique, and recently I've run advert using the ads manager and using this, you understand, boosting posts, and I'll still teach you in another video on how to run your advert using the ads manager. Okay, but for this training, I get more results boosting my post. You understand? Recently I get more results boosting my posts as against running it from Facebook ads manager. Okay, so I'm going to now click on post. You see I've clicked on boost post, you understand, and I'm going to now click on post. Okay, so when you click on this, a pop-up will pop up, you understand, is asking if you want customers to chat with you directly. Okay, you can say not now, we'll still have it, and the post is it's trying to create the post. Okay, okay, so oh great. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is the goal, you understand, and the goal is, what result would you like to achieve from this advert? What result would you like to achieve from this advert? So for this advert, I don't want automatic. What I want is to get more messages from people that are interested in the data analytics training. Okay, so I'll just click on get more messages. Or if you want to get more video views, you can still click here, get more calls. You want people to call you, you click get more calls. And if you want Facebook to select the most relevant goal based on your settings for you, you just click on get more automatic. Okay, so let's proceed. So then this is the ad preview by the right. Okay, so the next thing you need to do now is the let's quickly talk about the special ad category. Facebook is against some ads category, you understand, and it's not really they're against it. What they just want is your transparency in when using this kind of ad category. Number one of it is when promoting advertisement on credit, on employment, on housing, on social issues, elections, and so on. So if you're promoting any of these category of advert, you need to turn this on so that they can verify the content of the advert that you are promoting. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is where you have your greeting message, you can leave that the way it is. Then apps, where do you want people to message you? Most times I prefer when people message me on WhatsApp, so I'm always clicking on WhatsApp. And you can see here my WhatsApp number and WhatsApp business number. There's difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. Okay, to download WhatsApp business, just go on Play Store and you'll find it. Just type WhatsApp business and be able to download it. So for this advertisement, I use my WhatsApp business number, and this is the number. For you, it may request that you had the number, and once you had it, they'll send you a code for verification. Okay, so once you do that, you go down to we've added apps. Now the next thing is who should see your advert, and this is where we're talking about audience that should see your advert. So what you need to do here is, by default, it added some audience for me, you understand, in the people that have interest in Davido, Wizkid, and so on. But this is not what I am selling, although I can see some aspect of data analytics and so on there. So but let's recreate the audience, you understand. So firstly, you can choose audience from 18 to 65 depending on what you are selling. But from experience and the knowledge of my business, people from age 20 or 21 usually get interest in our training. Okay, so that is it. Then also from that to 65 and above, and this thing is male and female. So but if you're selling a strictly men product, you could just click on just men, and if you're selling a full strictly women product or services, you click on women. It shows that Facebook will only show your advert to women, you understand, if you choose only women, and it will show your advert to men if you choose only men. And if you want both, you can choose all, you understand. So that is it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is already showing the location of my office. Okay, so but let's cancel that. I want to reach people in Nigeria. Let's assume I want to reach people in Nigeria, you understand. All what I just need to do is to type Nigeria here. Okay, then you select the country, so it will show the Nigerian map, you understand. So it means you can reach people in Kano, Kaduna, Abuja, and so on, you understand. And let's assume you are in Nigeria and you want to reach people in the United Kingdom, you understand, for your product, You understand? So what you need to do is just type United Kingdom, and it will show you the map of United Kingdom. You understand? So it means that people between the age of 21 to 65 and above will see your advert in United Kingdom. But for the purpose of this advert, or let's assume you want to reach people in just a small town or an estate around you. You understand? For example, one of the estates around me is a Woji Housing Estate. Very big estate. You understand? So I could just click on Woji Housing Estate. So the advert will only be shown to people around the estate. You understand? So that is it. Okay. So let's go for reaching people in Port Harcourt. Okay, so that's it, and this is it. And one thing you also observe is when I click Port Harcourt, it shows the mouse. You understand? So what thing you can do in order not for your heart to extend to places like Aba, you understand, and so on, you can reduce this to like 10. You understand? And it would just adjust it to strictly Port Harcourt town, city. You understand? So that is it, and I hope this is clear. Then the next thing you need to do now is you go down. You understand, where you have your detailed marketing, and yeah, this is where you choose the kind of interest or other demographics of people that should see your advert. So we are running advert on data analytics training. You understand? So we should look for people that have interest in data analytics. You understand? So data analytics, you can see data analysis, information technology, and people that have interest in it. You understand? And Facebook will look at help you look for people that have interest in it. You understand? So that is already selected. Okay, let me quickly cancel. Oh, okay, and it's showing this based on previous campaign that I've been running. Okay, so this is where you just type everything: data science, people that have interest in data science. You can see we've added that. People that have interest in Microsoft Excel, people that have interest in Microsoft Office, people that have interest in Power BI. Okay, Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so it's one thing that is very important here is to exactly know your product, the product you're selling. So if you know your product to a large extent, you can determine those that have interest in it. So it's those that have interest in it that you will now type. Now let's assume you are selling a cake. You understand? That is very easy, and you have some products that relate to selling birthday cake. So to get customers for that, all what you just need to do is type birthday. You understand? So it will show you people that have birthday in November, the next month in November, this month is October, you understand, in January, in February, and so on. You understand? So you can target people based on that. Okay, so that's one way you can do that. Okay, so after you're done with that, you can also target people that run, or maybe business owners. Let's assume you have a product for business owners. You just type business owners, and you can target people that run businesses. Okay, so that is it. So you just need to be specific as much as possible here. You understand? You need to be specific here. Put the details of your advertisement. People that exactly needs what you're selling. Okay, so that is it. So, and the estimated audience size for our what's it called, our targeting of people in Port Harcourt between the age of 21 to 65 is 1.2 million to 1.4 million people. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do is to save the audience. Okay, so that is it. Then the next thing you come is okay, and these are other options too. We have people you choose through targeting, people who like your page, people who like your page and people similar to them. You understand? People in your local area. You understand? If I choose people in my local area now, it will only target people within the vicinity of my business. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing you need to do now is the duration. You understand? And if you're running an advert, ensure that your duration is more than 7 days. That duration of the advert, you understand, is more than 7 days. Okay, now one thing I just observed now is the minimum budget is now 776 per day. It used to be 500 naira, but due to the exchange rate, I think it has also gone higher. You understand? So I may need to adjust my estimated total budget to 10,000. Okay, and you see that the error has disappeared. Okay, so that is it. So let's talk about this now. The duration, the minimum duration you should choose for an advertisement is 7 days. That's what the best practice says. And because they want the 5, Facebook is currently running through a learning phase, and the learning phase can also be when you get 50 clicks to your website. You understand? Or I think when you get 50,000 reach. You understand? So that is also what they calculate as the learning phase, or the number of days, maybe 5 days. You just then from 5 days, 6 days, the 6 days and 7 days and above, your Facebook is already stabilized. You understand? They've done all the tests they need to test on your targeted audience, and now start projecting your advertisement for result. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is okay, let me use 9,000 naira. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is 9,000. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to choose Facebook pixel, or we don't need pixel for this. You understand? So you can turn it off, and if you have one, you can still turn it on. It does not really change anything. You understand? But pixel is is a piece of code that you can insert on your website that helps you track the activities of your advertisement on your website. You understand? So it's good when you if you want to run advertisement like traffic or landing page view or conversion. It's very important you install pixel on your website. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to click on, and if you want to add more font, I currently have around 10,000 naira here, but let's assume I want to add font. Or what I just need to do is to click on this add font. Okay, and if I don't want to add, which is not necessary for the purpose of this class, is this video, is I'll just click on boost post. And if you want to add font, what is required of you is to have a MasterCard or Visa card. Okay, what Nigerians or Africans called ATM. You understand? So that is it. So once you're done, the next thing you need to do is cross-check your advert to be sure that everything is properly set up, and click on boost post. So it's already submitting our advert It's already submitting our advert. Okay, so okay, you can see that it's submitting our advert. Okay, so this is a breakdown of the advert created. The total budget is 9,000 naira. Estimated VAT is 675 naira. Then total is 9,675. And what we have is what's it called, 10,000 naira. You understand? So the advert is currently in review. That's when the algorithm or the machine is checking through your advert to ensure that you're not against any of the Facebook advertisement policies. Of course, if you're going to run Facebook ad too, it's also very, very important you know what Facebook likes and dislikes, so that you don't what's it called, you don't they don't ban you from running Facebook advertisements. So that is it. I think they had this already in review, and that is how to run Facebook ads for results. You understand? That get result. Okay, that get result. And you can see these are some of the my previous ad that I'd run. You can see for this 1777 messaging conversion started. It means 77 persons messaged me on WhatsApp, and we got some reasonable conversion with this advert too. You understand? And this is how you see it. You understand? You can see this 136 messaging started, and so on. You understand? So that's it. So if you got value on this video, please hit the subscribe button below this video for more video from me, and also hit the bell notification icon below the video if you want to get notified when I release my next videos.